You are welcome to my channel. Please just kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel for more interesting videos. Right here we have a HP ProBook 4440S. Right now we want to troubleshoot on the power sector. The system is not powering. Sometimes if you remove the battery and put it back, it power back on by itself. So right now, check it out. Okay, let's put the battery. Okay, check it out. It's come up. Times not come up. It keep on hard starting. Right now it's not coming up. At times it may come a time you wake up, you press and it just come on at once. But right now it hardly can't come on right now. Okay, let's go into other aspect of it. What we want to check now is the power switch, because most of the times it happens from the power switch. Okay, before we check the power switch, let's dressing from the power switch to the board. Let's use a picker and on it straight from the board to know how it come about. Okay, inserting the battery. Okay, yes, let's use our picker to bleach the okay, as you can see, this reflects power on sway reflects going to the board, right? So you need to know the particular place you need to insert your picker so you can on from the board, not do. And also be careful of not bleaching some other things, not to damage the board. Okay, you can see now it's powering well now. If you want to power it off, okay, let's power it off again. You can see it's powering off now. Okay, it means that the power switch, which is the little port on the switch, can get damaged. Okay, let's check it out again. Let's check it out again from the power switch. Okay, alright, okay, you can see now it's on by itself. Okay, it's on by itself. You can see now, that's it now. So you need to be careful. See, power it off, it's not powering off. Okay, so now it's on by itself without me pressing the power button. And see now, in fact, it's on by itself again without pressing the power button. Okay, so right now, see what can happen. Let me power it off from the picker and on the board, right? Okay, what we're going to focus is right now is straight to the power switch, which is power button, power switch panel, a small panel that is connecting the power switch flex to the board. Okay, at times it mostly happen from the little sink that's giving you access to click. Okay, this is the pointing rubber, which is okay. Now we need to unpeel the little flexi conductor, which make it clickable for the system to on. And also after removing the flexible conductor, you need to scratch out the interface because it must be rust. It can be rust, can be caused by the rust or any maybe it happened for a while. it haven't been serviced. So you need to scratch out the anything that may cause it not to power it on, or contact as well. Okay, so and not only that, if after doing this, if it's not still working, you need to unsolder the little 3 legs transistor on that little switch or power on panel. Okay, so this is the first thing you need to do. After this, if it's not still working, then unlead the transistor. Okay, let's check it out first. Okay, let's remove the battery, because we have to plug into the board, to the panel. There is a little battery. Okay, facing the flex on the motherboard. Please, doing this, don't forget to subscribe in our YouTube channel, please, and like our page on Facebook, and it take that screen. You can see it's on right now. Okay, let's switch it off. Okay, yeah, let's see where it turn off. Okay, yeah, it's off. Okay, so now it's on and it's off. It's on again. Yeah, it's on. Yeah, now you can switch it on at any time. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, also like our page on Facebook. Thank you very much.